What is SaaS and why its role is vital? Every day, millions of people and businesses use software without ever installing it on their computers. From streaming movies to managing entire companies, this is all made possible by SaaS, software as a service. Today, we're going to break down what it is, how it works, and why it's revolutionizing the way we use technology. SaaS, or software as a service, is now the standard way software is delivered. Instead of buying a program, installing it, and worrying about updates or servers, SaaS lets you access powerful applications through the cloud. From Gmail and Zoom to business platforms like Salesforce, SaaS makes software faster, easier, and more flexible than ever before. In this video, we'll explain exactly what SaaS is, how it works, the types available, and why it's become essential in 2026. What SaaS is. SaaS is a cloud-based software delivery model. Rather than installing software on your computer or server, the application lives online, hosted by a provider, and you access it through a web browser or mobile app. This means you don't have to worry about updates, security patches, or storage. The provider takes care of everything. For example, when you use Gmail or Microsoft 365, you're using software as a service. Businesses use SaaS for CRM, accounting, project management, marketing tools, and more, all without maintaining complex IT infrastructure. How SaaS works. Here's a step-by-step look at how SaaS works. 1. Hosting. The provider runs the software on cloud servers, often across multiple locations for reliability. 2. Access. Users log in via a web browser, desktop, or mobile app to use the software. 3. Updates. The provider automatically updates the software with new features, bug fixes, and security patches. 4. Subscription model. Users pay monthly or yearly fees instead of buying a one-time license. Because the software runs in the cloud, it's scalable. Companies can add or remove users instantly, and users can access the same software from multiple devices, all without installing anything locally. Types of SaaS. SaaS isn't just one type of software. It comes in multiple forms to meet different needs. Productivity. SaaS. Google Workspace. Microsoft 365 for emails, documents, and collaboration communication, SaaS. Slack, Zoom, or Teams for team messaging and video calls. Customer management. SaaS, Salesforce, HubSpot for tracking leads and client relationships. Finance. SaaS, QuickBooks, Xero for accounting, billing, and payroll. Entertainment plus Netflix, Spotify for streaming video and music, specialized. SaaS design software like Canva or AI-powered platforms for automation. Basically, if you're using software online, chances are it's delivered as SaaS. SaaS has exploded in popularity because it offers several major advantages. Accessibility. Use the software from anywhere in the world with internet access. Lower costs. No need for expensive licenses or hardware. Automatic updates. Always have the latest version without manual installation. Scalability. Businesses can add or remove users and features on demand. Maintenance-free. No need to manage servers, storage, or security. Collaboration-friendly. Teams can work together in real time across multiple locations. Integration. Many SaaS platforms can connect with other tools for seamless workflows. SaaS is powerful, but there are a few considerations to keep in mind. Internet dependence. If your connection goes down, so does access to the software. Data privacy and security. Your data is stored on the provider's servers, so it's important to trust the company. Subscription costs. Monthly or yearly fees can add up over time. Limited customization. Some SaaS solutions may not fully fit unique business processes. Even with these limitations, SaaS is one of the easiest and most effective ways to access powerful software today. In conclusion, SaaS is a cloud-based software model where users access applications online through subscriptions without installing, maintaining, or updating them manually. If you want a beginner-friendly guide on the best SaaS tools to start using in 2026, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, simple explanations of tech concepts that actually make sense.